Welcome to my channel Road Beast Car. If you love cars, future technology, and stylish new rides, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. Today, we're talking about the all-new 2026 Vitz car, a compact vehicle that's getting attention for its modern design, smart features, and fuel-efficient performance. Let's dive in and see what makes this car special. The 2026 Vitz comes with a completely refreshed exterior design that looks far more premium than previous models. At the front, the car features sleek LED headlights, a redesigned sporty grille, and aggressive bumper styling that gives it a bold road presence. The sharper body lines and aerodynamic shape not only improve the look but also help with fuel efficiency and stability at higher speeds. Moving to the side profile, the Vitz now gets stylish alloy wheels, black trim accents, and a floating roof design that gives the car a more modern crossover-inspired appearance. The rear section includes connected LED tail lamps and a cleaner bumper setup that makes the car look quieter and more upscale. Inside the cabin, the 2026 Vitz has received major upgrades. The dashboard now features a large touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay support. The digital instrument cluster gives drivers real-time information in a modern and easy-to-read layout. Higher variants are also expected to include wireless charging, push-start ignition, climate control, and a premium sound system. One of the biggest highlights of the new Vitz is cabin comfort. The seats are softer and more supportive, while the increased legroom and improved suspension setup make long drives more comfortable for passengers. The company has also focused on reducing cabin noise, creating a quieter and more refined driving experience. Now let's talk about performance. The 2026 Vitz is expected to come with an upgraded fuel-efficient engine that delivers smoother acceleration and better mileage. Some reports suggest there could also be a mild hybrid version, helping drivers save even more fuel while reducing emissions. The steering feels lighter in city traffic, while the suspension is tuned for both comfort and stability on highways. Safety has also improved significantly in this new model. The Vitz is expected to offer multiple airbags, ABS braking, electronic stability control, parking sensors, a reverse camera, and advanced driver assistance features in higher trims. These upgrades make the car a safer option for families and daily commuters. Another important point is practicality. The Vitz remains a compact car, making it easy to drive in crowded city streets and tight parking spaces. At the same time, it offers decent boot space and smart interior storage compartments for everyday use. Whether you're a student, office worker, or small family, this car seems designed to fit modern urban lifestyles perfectly. When it comes to competition, the 2026 Vitz will go up against popular compact hatchbacks and small crossovers in the market. But thanks to its stylish redesign, upgraded technology, and expected affordable pricing, it could become a strong choice for buyers looking for value and reliability. Overall, the 2026 Vitz looks like a major improvement over previous generations. It combines modern styling, useful technology, better comfort, and improved safety in a practical package. If the final pricing remains competitive, this car could become one of the most popular options in its category. So, what do you think about the new 2026 Vitz car? Would you consider buying it, or do you prefer another hatchback or crossover? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more latest car reviews, automotive news, and future vehicle updates. See you in the next video.